Meet the Irobot Braava Jet M6 6110 Ultimate Robot Mop. Wi-Fi connected, precision jet spray, smart mapping, works with Alexa, ideal for multiple rooms, recharges and resumes. The ultimate ROUTE mop. The M6 Jet Robot Braava mops like you would. You can tell where and when to clean, and the precision jet sprayer helps solve stickiness and kitchen grease problems. MOPERING that marks your life, ideal for multiple rooms and larger spaces. Navigates around objects and under furniture. Cleans hard finished floors, including hardwood, tile and stone. Guided by serious smarts, with VSLAM navigation, the M6 learns your home's layout and builds personal smart maps, allowing it to deftly clean and navigate clean, efficient rows. If the battery runs low, it recharges and resumes cleaning. Mops messes at the moment, coffee spills on the floor, dog tracks in the mud. The M6 can target specific areas within your rooms, such as in front of the couch or under a table, for easy, hands-free mopping with a request to your voice assistant or through the app. Complete control of your clean. With smart mapping, your robot knows your kitchen from your living room, so you can decide where and when it cleans. With keep-out zones, your robot knows to avoid sensitive areas like pet bowls or play areas. A single clean for you. The Braava M6 Robot Jet Mop is smarter than ever, learning where and when you normally clean and suggesting personalized schedules so you can concentrate on everything else. The cleaning team. With imprint link technology, the Braava M6 Jet Robot and Roomba Robot select the vacuum suction team and then automatically mop in perfect sequence. The robot intelligently knows which mode to use based on the pad type. Our pad technology uses electrostatic force to sweep the wicking fibers for scrubbing. For a fresh, long-lasting smell, add Braava Jet Hard Floor Cleaning Solution. Always smarter, quality that lasts. Intelligence that grows. Equipped with advanced hardware capable of delivering the smart features you'll love today, and access to our latest advances in the future. Irobot does not certify the quality or authenticity of products purchased from unauthorized resellers, and will not cover claims, service, or offer substitutes for products purchased from these vendors. Check out this Irobot Braava Jet M6 testimonial from a satisfied customer. I am excited about this new Braava. I had ordered the T380 or whatever it is called, and it didn't do much work cleaning my floor, nor did it connect to my phone and Roomba, so I returned it. This new M6 Jet is night and day above that one. It is cleaning my floor as I type and leaving it really clean while my new Roomba S9 Plus vacuums the other rooms before the Braava gets to it. They work together, which is a big plus for me because I don't let the Roomba finish before I start the Braava every day. I just plug them in and let them do their thing, resulting in sparkling clean floors while I drink my coffee and do my paid work. I have never been happier with a product in my life than I am with the Braava Jet M6 and Roomba S9 Plus. The only downside is that I believe it requires the use of Irobot cleaning fluid if cleaning fluid is desired, rather than using other brands. Same for the mop heads, although I have ordered some rewashable to keep the price of the mop down, as the bid is always quite expensive at $1 a mop. With that said, the disposable is what is cleaning my floors so beautifully as I type, so if the microfiber rewashables don't do as good a job as the disposables, I will always buy them in bulk, as I am happy with the job the disposables do. So incredibly happy that I bought these two items, as I was a little reluctant due to the price. Not now. They are worth every penny to me. Don't waste any more time, order your Irobot Braava Jet M6 now, by going to the official website which is here in the description of this video and fixed in the first comment.